The chemistry behind matchsticks and matchboxes is fascinating and deeply rooted in both safety and ignitability. A typical matchstick head is composed of an oxidizing agent, typically potassium chloride, mixed with a small amount of sulfur as a reducing agent, and ground glass to increase the friction surface. The head also contains a neutralizer and fillers as binding agents. When you strike a match, these components interact with phosphorus found on the matchbox striking surface. The matchbox's striking surface is composed of red phosphorus, powdered glass, and a binder. The red phosphorus is critical in starting the reaction. When the match head is drawn sharply across the matchbox striking surface, the heat generated by friction causes a small amount of red phosphorus to transform into white phosphorus, a far more active form. This spontaneous transformation initiates a reaction with the potassium chloride in the matchstick, producing heat and igniting the sulfur. This delicate balance of chemical components allows for the safe ignition of a matchstick, producing that familiar flame we use often. However, it's important to store matches properly, away from excess moisture or heat, to ensure that the chemical reaction occurs only when intended and not prematurely. Thus, the chemistry of matchsticks and matchboxes is a fine example of practical chemistry in action, leveraging both physical and chemical properties to achieve a simple yet essential function in our daily lives.